Hello guys, I hope you are fine today. At first, I would like to thank you for your continuous support to me and the channel. And don't forget to support me in this video too by pressing the like button. If you are seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and pressing the bell to get more videos. We will see in today's video a featured and different group of modern kitchen tools and amazing supplies for bathroom, which will save your time and effort. Plus, all these supplies and tools are very cheap and you can easily get them anywhere too. Through this video, we'll see new ideas and tricks for organizing the home and modern and useful electric appliances that will save your time and effort for the daily routine. Thank you followers, share this video with friends to benefit from ideas and tricks and modern household tools, especially for those who are about to get married.